Hello children, welcome back. This is Mousumi Chakraborty and today I would like to discuss on the practical questions of non-profit organization. If you have not gone through my previous video, go to my channel and watch it. So, moving on to question number 1 from the following items of receipt and payment account of Young Club prepared income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2020. Few items are given and additional information like subscription in arrears 31st March 2020 were 80,000 and half year's interest on loan was also outstanding. So directly moving on to the solution of the question, we need to draw income and expenditure account where we have expenditure amount, income amount, and top we have to write down income and expenditure account of Young Club for the year ended 31st March 2020. Let us look on to the expenditure side. To salaries 5 lakh, to electricity expenses 50,000, to printing and stationery 35,000 minus previous year outstanding 5,000. So it would come down to 30,000 rupees. Instead of 35 by mistake written, it will be 30,000 rupees. To miscellaneous expenses 1,60,000, to interest on loan 12,000, add outstanding interest 12,000, so total 24,000. To rent and taxes 75,000 minus present year prepaid 10,000, it will come down to 65,000. Moving on to the income side, by subscription 4 lakh, less advance received 20,000, less previous year arrears 50,000, so total it up 70,000, so 3,30,000. Then add subscription in arrears for the previous year, that comes down to 80,000, so 3,30,000 plus 80,000 comes down to 4,10,000. Net proceed from refreshment group is 4,50,000 and lockers rent 45,000. So here income side is more with a balance of 9,05,000. When we deduct it from all the balances of the expenditure side, we get a surplus of rupees 65,000, that is excess of income over expenditure. Then moving on to the next question, that is question number 2 from the following receipt and payment account of Friends Club for the year ended 31st March 2020. Prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2020 and balance sheet as on that date. So the income and expenditure account is given and some additional information is also given. So moving on to the solution of the question, first let us prepare the income and expenditure account, that is expenditure side. To rent account 86,100, add closing outstanding 18,000 minus opening outstanding 18,000, so it will be again 86,100. To salaries 1,09,000, to electricity charges 6,200, to general expense 12,500, to office expense 45,000, to depreciation on books 30,000 and furniture 5,000. Income side, by subscription received 2,20,000, add closing outstanding 7,000, that is 2,27,000 minus opening outstanding 6,000, so it will come down to 2,21,000. By entrance fee 55,200, by general donation 56,100, by legacy donation 50,000, by interest 4,100, by surplus from cultural program 8,200. So the total of income side is 3,94,600 and we get a surplus of 1,08,000, that means excess of income over expenditure. Moving on to the opening balance sheet, that is cash in hand 43,000. This is the closing balance sheet. Cash in hand 43,000, cash at bank 61,900, investment 1,40,000, books 3 lakh plus purchase 31,200 minus depreciation 30,000, so it will be 3,01,200. Furniture 58,000 minus depreciation 5,000, it is 53,000. Outstanding subscription 7,000. Capital fund in the beginning it is 4,87,300 plus surplus 1,08,000, so it will be 5,88,100 and outstanding rent 18,000. And the opening balance sheet goes cash in hand 1,41,300, outstanding subscription 6,000, books 3 lakh, furniture 58,000, outstanding rent 18,000, so we get a balancing figure, that will be the capital fund 4,87,300. Moving on to the next question from the following receipt and payment account of Indian Youth Association. We need to prepare income and expenditure account, opening balance sheet and closing balance sheet. This is the receipt and payment account and some additional informations are also given. These are the adjustments. So let us move on directly to the solution. Income and expenditure account, when we do, it is Expenditure side, salary 3 lakh, rent plus outstanding 60 plus 5,000, 65,000, printing and stationery plus outstanding 15 plus 3, 18,000, postage 4,000, loss on sale of old car 15,000. By subscription 4 lakh minus received 18-19 and received 2021, that is 1,20,000. It comes down to 2,80,000. Add outstanding for 19-20 80,000, so it move on to 3,60,000. Interest 4,000, bank interest 2,000 plus interest on investment 2,000 accrued. 80,000 into 5% into 6 by 12 is 2,000. And we get here the deficit 38,000 because expenditure side is more. The total is 4,02,000 and income side is less. So we get a deficit. Moving on to the first to the opening balance sheet. Cash in hand 25,000, cash at bank 2,000. For 2,45,000, outstanding subscription 80,000 and capital balance is 4,05,000. As a result, we get our closing balance sheet. Cash in hand 13,000, cash at bank 2 lakh, outstanding subscription 80,000, accrued interest on investment 2,000, investment 80,000, printer 40,000, capital balance 4,05,000 minus deficit 38,000, 3,67,000. Subscription received in advance 40,000, outstanding rent 5,000 and outstanding printing and stationery 3,000. So the total of the balance sheet is 4,15,000. The next type of questions will be same category continued in my next video. Stay tuned. Thank you. Have a nice day.